Hi, I'm Amy Litton, and this is one of a series of tutorials I'm creating for my web design clients. Today I'm going to show you a couple of simple ways you can use your LinkedIn account to help improve your rankings in search engines like Google and Yahoo. First, you need a LinkedIn account. You don't need to be invited by someone else to start a LinkedIn account. You can go to linkedin.com and set it up yourself. One of my web design clients said, "Who's got time for this?" Everything on LinkedIn can take up a lot of time, but what we're going to talk about takes no more than a few minutes. You should think of this as part of your strategy to promote the visibility of your website. If you want to learn more about ways to use LinkedIn, I suggest you search 10 ways to use LinkedIn in Google. This will take you to Guy Kawasaki's blog. I'm using some of his suggestions in this video. So now you have a LinkedIn account, a profile started, and perhaps you listed your website as part of your profile. The first thing we're going to do is improve your Google ranking by changing the link to your public profile. LinkedIn profiles rank fairly well in Google, and this is a way you can influence what people will see when they search for you. First, go to Profile and click on Edit My Profile. Then you're going to come down to Public Profile and click Edit again. You're going to do two things on this page. First, make sure Full View is selected. Then you're going to edit your public profile URL. That is the link to your public profile in LinkedIn. LinkedIn automatically generates a link to your profile that ends in a number. However, LinkedIn gives you the option to change this. So go to Edit and down to this box, and you'll type in your own name. And when you're done with that, click Set Address. Now the link to your profile includes your name. If your name is the same as someone else, you may need to be a little creative here. You can promote your page in search engines by using the link to your profile on the web. For example, if you post messages on blogs or web forums, you can have this link in your signature. You could also add it to your email signature if you wanted to. Now we're going to improve your search engine rankings by adding your website to your profile. Maybe you already did this and you have a link to your website that says My Website. Well, we're going to change that. I want to say a couple of things about links to your website. First of all, having quality external links to your website is one of the most important factors in influencing search engine rankings. Secondly, a link that looks like this, that actually has words that mean something, is a better link as far as search engines are concerned than a link that looks like this. So we're going to make some links to your website that have meaningful language. Go back to Edit My Profile. And go down to Websites, and you can see I have a link called My Website, which is what most people have. They have one link and it says My Website. So we're going to edit that. Now, LinkedIn has these kind of canned, generic language you can use to describe your website, my company, my blog, etc. But they also allow you the opportunity to add your own language, which is what we're going to do. What you want to do is click on Other. And now I get a little box that opens up. It allows me 30 characters to type in whatever I want. So I'm going to type in some more meaningful information like Web Design Minneapolis. So that describes my business a little bit better. Now, I can do this, but I have two other spots I can add a website to. But what I'm going to do is add a different page from my same website. I'm going to go to Other, and I'm going to add my portfolio page. So the words I'm going to use are Amy Litton, so I use my name in there, and you can use the name of your business also. Website portfolio. And I'm just going to copy my home page, paste it in here, and then I'm going to add portfolio.html, which is that page. Now I can add a third. So I'm again going to choose Other. I think I'm going to link to the page where I'm going to have these video tutorials. So I'm going to type client search engine tutorials. And I will again link, I'm just going to paste my home page in here and then add tutorials. If you're a My Design client, your website may end in HTML, it might end in HTML, and it could end in PHP, just so you keep that in mind. So don't forget then to come down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now if you view your profile, you can see that you now have 3 links to your website that have some quality language instead of just the generic language. There's one caveat about this. Don't have all 3 links go to your home page. I don't know for sure if it will count against you, but it looks like trying to stack the decks, which search engines do not like at all. Be sure to use 3 different pages from your website when you add these 3 links. You've just created then 3 quality external links to your website, and you've made a couple of quick changes, the websites and your profile, which will help your search engine visibility.